Good morning, students. Welcome to English class. Today, you would come to know about a new lesson. New lesson, The Last Leaf. That is written by O. Henry. Students, you are aware, life is not always a bed of roses. Sometimes, we have to face some problem. But we should not never give up. We should not leave our hope and encourage daily to everyone. So, The Last Leaf, the story written by O. Henry, is related to it. Let's start.
In this lesson, a young girl feels distressed and possesses pessimism, means sad ho jana, which means the attitude of being hopeless and negative. A young girl feel negative towards life. वो लाइफ के प्रति बिल्कुल negative फील करती थी. She falls ill and remains reluctant that she would never recover from her illness. She feels कि वो कभी ठीक नहीं हो पाएगी. In spite of the treatment given by the doctors, her illness doesn't cure. Does she recover? Does she change her mindset? Who helps her to overcome her depression? So, let's start this lesson and find out. Two young artists named Sue and John C. lived together in a small flat on the third story of an old house. Two friends, Sue and John C. एक साथ एक old house में रहते थे. One of the girls, John C., fall ill in the month of November and doctor diagnosed that she had pneumonia. From that day onwards, John C. remained in bed and would continuously look out of the window. उस दिन से जब से जॉन सी को पता चला कि वो बीमार हो गई है, she was regular watching outside the window. रेगुलर विंडो के बाहर देखती रही. Her friend Sue was worried to see John C's condition and she called the doctor. उसकी जो फ्रेंड थी Sue, जो उसकी बेस्ट फ्रेंड थी, she was too much worried to see the John C condition. She called the doctor. Although the doctor visited every day to examine John C, yet there was no change in her health condition. She should not recover from her illness in spite of treatment. Regular treatment के बाद भी there was a no positive effect in John C. John C बिल्कुल ट्रीट नहीं हो पा रही थी, वो बिल्कुल ठीक नहीं हो पा रही थी. One day the doctor, on seeing the condition of John C, asked Sue if there was any problem with John C. क्या John C को कोई problem है? Sue replied in negative and wanted to know why the doctor asked. The doctor replied that, per his observation, it seemed that John C had made up her mind that she would not get well soon. डॉक्टर के अकॉर्डिंग जॉन सी ने अपने माइंड में ये सेट कर लिया था कि वो जल्दी से ठीक नहीं हो सकती. इफ़ शी कॉन्टिन्यूड टू थिंक लाइक दैट द मेडिसिन वुड नॉट हेल्प हर. अगर उसने ऐसा सोचा तो कोई भी मेडिसिन उस पर वर्क नहीं करेगी. ही मीन टू से दैट इट्स जॉन सीज थॉट्स दैट कुड क्योर हर फ्रॉम हर इलनेस. इन दिस वे डॉक्टर वॉन्ट्स टू टेल द जॉन सी दैट if she had a positive thought, अगर वो पॉजिटिव थॉट रखती है तो शी विल बी क्योर, अदरवाइज शी कांट बी क्योर्ड. उसको ठीक नहीं किया जा सकता. Sue, being a good friend, tried her best to cheer up John C. Sue एक अच्छी फ्रेंड थी तो she did her best. उसने बहुत एफर्ट्स किए. किसको खुश रखने के लिए? जॉन सी को खुश रखने के लिए. She made her take interest in the things around her. She talked about her fashion, clothes and so on. But John C didn't show any interest in these things. But John C ने कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं शो किया and continued to lie on the bed. Sue even brought her drawing board into John C's room and started painting. Sue स्पेशली ड्राइंग बोर्ड ले आई जॉन सी के रूम में और उसने पेंटिंग स्टार्ट कर दी. She whistled while doing the work in order to divert John C's mind from her illness. उसने जॉन्सी का माइंड डाइवर्ट करने के लिए भी बहुत एफर्ट्स किए, बट टू हर डिसअपॉइंटमेंट द गर्ल डिड नॉट रिस्पॉन्ड. बट Johnsy did not give any response. Suddenly Sue heard Johnsy whispering something. उसने देखा जॉन्सी कुछ बोल रही है. She went near her bed and heard that she was saying. She noticed that Johnsy was looking out the window and counting the 12 till 7. Sue looked out of the window. She wanted to know what made Johnsy count backwards. वो क्यों उल्टा गिन रही है? 12 से 7 पर क्यों आई? She saw an all ivy creeper climbing halfway up the brick wall opposite of the window. उसने देखा एक छोटी सी पत्ती, एक आईवी क्रीपर जो है वो विंडो के पास है और उसकी लीव्स जो है रेगुलर फॉल हो रही हैं. ए स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड वॉज ब्लोइंग आउटसाइड द क्रीपर वॉज शेडिंग इट्स लीव्स. और क्रीपर के जो पत्ते हैं वो लगातार गिर रहे हैं. Sue asked Johnsy what's the matter was. Johnsy said the number 6 in soft voice. She continued that there were several leaves, like 100 leaves on the ivy creeper 3 days ago. 3 दिन पहले वहाँ पर क्रीपर के जो क्रीपर था उसमें काफ़ी सारी लीव्स थी. बट नाउ ओनली 5 वर लेफ्ट. अब कितनी है? ओनली 5. Sue tried to comfort her by saying that it was autumn season and it is natural for any creeper or tree to shed its leaves. Obvious कि autumn season there is a falling of leaves. But the disheartened Johnsy replied that she would when the last leaf falls. She said that she had known that for the last 3 days. She was just comparing her life with the leaves. वो अपनी लाइफ को केवल लीव्स की काउंटिंग के साथ ही सोच रही थी. The kind Sue replied that leaves have nothing to do with her health and told her stop thinking senseless thing. Sue उसको बताती है कि कुछ मत सोचो because your life or health doesn't compare with these senseless things. She even encouraged her by saying that doctor's medicine would definitely cure her. She also says, वो कहती है कि अगर आप अच्छे से मेडिसिन लोगे तो you are surely cured. Johnsy did not say anything. Sue went and brought a bowl of soup. The reluctant means unwillingly, मतलब ना चाहते हुए. Johnsy refused to drink the soup. She said that she was not hungry and there was only 4 leaves left on the creeper. कितने leaves बची हैं? Only 4. She further told Sue that she wanted to see the last leaf fall before sunset and then she would sleep forever peacefully. और वो स्यू से कहती है जब मैं लास्ट लीफ को गिरते हुए देखना चाहती हूँ सनसेट से पहले, लेकिन उसके बाद मैं हमेशा के लिए पीसफुली सो जाऊंगी. मतलब शी डोंट वांट टू लिव, वो जीना नहीं चाहती है. स्यू सेट ऑन द जॉन्सीज बेड एंड किस्ड हर. स्यू कहाँ बैठ गई? जॉन्सी के पास. शी एनकरेज्ड हर बाय सेइंग दैट शी वॉज नॉट गिविंग टू डाई. वो उसे मरने नहीं देगी. She requested Johnsy to cooperate with so that she could finish the painting and get some money by selling it. वो उसे कहते कि कुछ रुको जिससे कि हमें कुछ मनी मिल जाए. She said that she needed the light to finish the painting. She could not even draw the curtains to avoid Johnsy from looking outside. उसने कहा उसे लाइट चाहिए अपनी पेंटिंग को फिनिश करने के लिए. शी प्लीडेड जॉन्सी नॉट टू लुक आउट ऑफ द विंडो. वो रिक्वेस्ट करती है जॉन्सी से कि वो बिल्कुल बाहर मत देखे. जॉन्सी एग्रीड एंड टोल्ड हर टू फिनिश हर पेंटिंग सून एज शी वॉन्टेड टू सी द लास्ट लीफ फॉल. जॉन्सी एग्री हो जाती है और बट शी वॉन्टेड टू सी द लास्ट लीफ. शी सेड दैट शी वॉज टायर्ड ऑफ वेटिंग फॉर द लास्ट लीफ टू फॉल. She further said that she wanted to die and go away peacefully like that the last leaf. Sue advised her not to try to sleep. She informed Johnsy that she was going to paint the picture of an old miner. Old miner? Old man who works in a mine. Mine जो कोयले की खान में काम करता है. And she would call Burman to be her model for her picture. So Burman is a name of a famous artist, is an old painter. Burman, the 60 years old painter, lived on a ground floor. वो सबसे नीचे वाले फ्लोर पे रहते थे. Great painter. The old painter had a lifelong dream to paint a masterpiece. उनका विश था एक मास्टरपीस को पेंट करना. The most outstanding work of the creative artist or a craftsman. But unfortunately, his dream remained a dream and he could not achieve it. Sue rushed to Burman's house and told everything about Johnsy. She informed him about the negative thoughts of Johnsy. Sue कहाँ जाती है? बर्मन्स के पास, और उनको बताती है जॉन्सी के माइंड में क्या थॉट्स हैं. The old man remarked that it was a silly of a young girl like Johnsy to think hopelessly like that. Sue informed Burman that Johnsy was suffering from high fever and she refused to anything to eat or drink. She expressed her anxiety for her best friend Johnsy. वो बताती कि वो जॉन्सी के बारे में कितना वरिड है. Burman convinced her and went with her to see Johnsy. बर्मन से कन्विंस्ड हो जाते हैं और फिर से वो जॉन्सी को मिलने जाते हैं. Both of them entered the room quietly and found Johnsy is sound asleep. Sue drew the curtains and went to the next room. Sue looked out of the window and found only one leaf left on the ivy creeper. कितनी लीफ ले गई? Only one. It was raining heavily outside and cold wind was blowing strongly. It seemed that last leaf would fall any moment. इतनी तेज हवा है कि लास्ट लीफ कभी भी गिर सकती है. Burman didn't say anything and went back to his room. बर्मन ने कुछ नहीं कहा, लेकिन वो अपने रूम पर चले गए. The next morning, Johnsy woke up and asked Sue to draw the curtains. Sue से कहा जॉन्सी ने कि कर्टेन हटाओ. Sue, being nervous, drew the curtains unwillingly. On seeing outside the window, Johnsy uttered a cry of joy. Johnsy खुश हो गई. She asked Sue to look outside the window. बाहर देखो. She see the last leaf was still there on a creeper. बाहर एक अभी भी लीफ है. She said delightedly that leaf looked green and healthy. और बिल्कुल ग्रीन कलर की है. She was happy that in spite of strong winds and heavy rain, the last leaf didn't fall. Then she said that she heard the sound of wind last night and thought that last leaf would have fallen. उसको श्योर था कि बाहर बारिश से last leaf गिर चुकी होगी. She was sure. The optimist Sue told her energetically that she would not die. अब वो नहीं मरेगी. अब Sue उसको बताती है. She cheered up by saying that she had to live for her friends. उसे किसके लिए जीना है? अपने फ्रेंड्स के लिए. She asked her what would happen to her if she died. She would become lonely. उसे बताती है कि अगर वो चली गई तो Sue अकेली हो जाएगी. Johnsy remained quiet and smiled. Johnsy खुश हो जाती है. After 1 hour, she looked out of the window and found the last leaf is still on the ivy creeper. अभी भी बाहर वो लीफ है. In the evening, there was another storm which brought heavy rain. Johnsy lay on the bed and looked out the window constantly. बहुत बड़ा तूफान आया अगली रात और वो लगातार बाहर देख रही थी. Then she called Sue and regretted for being a reluctant and a bad girl. She even appreciated Sue love and care for her and blamed himself for not being cooperative with her. वो बताती है कि मैं अच्छी नहीं हूँ बट Sue बहुत अच्छी और लविंग और केयरिंग है. She agreed that she had been depressed and said no reason. She had realized that she was a sin to have a desire to die. It was all because of last leaf that made her realize her mistake. जॉन्सी अब एग्री करती है कि वो लास्ट लीफ की वजह से मरना चाह रही थी और कुछ भी नहीं है. नाउ शी रियलाइज हर मिस्टेक. Sue was delighted to see the change in Johnsy. Sue बहुत खुश हो जाती है जॉन्सी में चेंज देखकर. She hugged her and gave her hot soup and mirror. उसे वो गरम सूप देती है. Johnsy combed her hair and smiled. There is no doubt Johnsy had changed her perceptive now. अब जॉन्सी का जो बिहेवियर है वो चेंज है. But now what happened? Last leaf stayed on the creeper. Was that a miracle? क्यों है ये लास्ट लीफ अब तक? The same day in the afternoon, the doctor visited and examined Chauncey. After the examination, he told Sue that Chauncey had to desire to live and she was confident that she would recover from the illness soon. अब डॉक्टर बताता है कि जॉन्सी ने डिसाइड कर लिया है कि वो जिएगी और इसलिए वो तेजी से रिकवर हो रही है. He then informed Sue that he had visited Burman as he was also suffering from pneumonia and there was no hope for his survival. That means Burman would die soon. डॉक्टर ने इन्फॉर्म किया वो अभी बर्मन के हाउस से आ रहे हैं और उन्हें निमोनिया हो गया है और वो अब नहीं बचेंगे. The next morning, Sue informed Chauncey that Burman died due to pneumonia that morning. The surprising thing that he was ill from 2 days. एंड ऑन थर्ड डे ही डाइड. वो 2 दिन से बीमार थे और तीसरे दिन अब वो नहीं रहे. द फर्स्ट डे द जेनिटर, अ पर्सन हु क्लीन्स एंड मेंटेन द बिल्डिंग. जेनिटर एक पर्सन जो बिल्डिंग को मेंटेन करता है. फाउंड ओल्ड मैन विथ हिज बेड क्लोथ्स शूज एंड ही वॉज शिवरिंग ड्यू टू कोल्ड. उसने ओल्ड मैन को देखा जिसके सब कुछ गीला था और वो बिल्कुल काँप रहे थे कोल्ड की वजह से. इट सीम दैट ही हैड बीन आउट ऑफ द स्टॉर्म दैट नाइट. A ladder and a lantern was also found near his bed. उनके बेड के पास एक लैडर भी है और एक लालटेन भी. There was also some brushes and green and yellow paint that were found lying on the bedroom floor. Then Sue asked Chauncey to look out of the last leaf was that stick on the wall. Sue Chauncey से कहती है बाहर देखो जो लीफ है अभी भी वॉल से लगी हुई है. It was not moving or fluttering. When window blew, हवा चल रही है लेकिन ये फिर भी मूव नहीं कर रही है. It was not a real leaf. It was the painting by Burman. Yes, it's Burman's masterpiece and lifelong dream. Burman का masterpiece है ये और उसका dream है. The old man, in order to change the mindset of the young girl Chauncey, painted the last leaf when the last leaf fall from the ivy creeper. उन्होंने लास्ट लीफ पेंट की जबकि वो लीफ तो कहीं बहुत पहले गिर चुकी थी. द लास्ट लीफ वॉज द मास्टर पीस ऑफ बर्मन. इट डेवलप्ड ऑप्टिमिज्म इन यंग गर्ल हु पॉसेस टू डाई. उस एक मास्टर पीस जो बर्मन का मास्टर पीस है उसने जॉन्सी के मन में एक ऑप्टिमिज्म थॉट क्रिएट की. बट बर्मन विद अ रिमार्केबल पेंटिंग स्किल ड्रू अ लीफ दैट लुक्ड लाइक रियल लीफ. And seeing that Chauncey changed her attitude and outlook towards the life. इस तरीके से जॉन्सी का जो व्यू था बाहर अपनी लाइफ को देखने का वो टोटली चेंज हो गया. एंड शी वॉन्ट्स टू लिव हर लाइफ अगेन. So students, always keep in mind, keep your face to the sunshine and you cannot see a shadow. So always see the bright side of the things. Students, we should see the positivity in our entire life. Thank you. God bless you.